Hello guys, my name is Pete and this is Renee Kitchen. Welcome to this new video. I'm officially back from vacation, but I will only partially trade this week just because I like to gradually readjust and be a full capacity from the next week. But we are Monday, so let's begin um this trading session with my Monday overview. Looking for some good opportunities to trade during this week. I remember that this is a technical analysis, my personal technical analysis, so I will not consider all the macroeconomic scenario that, as you know, could change everything in just few hours. So this is a technical analysis, and above all, uh, we're going to see good opportunities, on my opinion, for a long-term perspective. Okay, so so this is just it's not investment; is always speculation. But my multi-time frame analysis is based on the 4 hour time frame and a daily time frame. So this could be all good opportunities for a multi-day trades. Okay, so let's start from S&P. These are all um, my drawings that I made in the last video. And as you can see, price broke this structure. Um, and reacted very good from this liquidity. So just sign, just uh, take a look to my liquidity levels because could be very good for intraday uh, trades. And so as you can see, we are on the time frame, but we can easily move on for our time frame because, as you can see, we have so many structure that have been broken. Okay, and for the first time from since March, we have the first bullish signal because, as I told you, this structure had been broken. Okay, I'm talking about this structure. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that price is just a little bit moving sideways. Okay, and the bearish power is going to finish, probably maybe as finished, maybe it's just breathing, and will probably keep on going short again, on bearish again. Who knows? But we don't have to care about it. We have just to adapt to the market. So the next move could be, on my personal opinion, just wait for the price to reach this huge zone right here. Why? Because we have one supply zone here with this inefficiency. We have another one here. This could be a good level, liquidity level right here that I'm going to highlight. Okay, and another here. Okay, and here we have another inefficiency. So as you can see, this is also for Nasdaq, obviously. Um, we have so many levels. Okay, here very important levels that don't need necessary to be taken, obviously, but When I see lots of levels here, I suppose, okay, the price we're going to grab all the liquidity right around here. Okay, maybe not this week, probably. We don't know, but I want to ride for this week this trend. Okay, try to exploit all the liquidity levels that market gave to me, will give to me, sorry. And so this could be one. Okay, so what I'm waiting, just liquidity grabbing here to move and keep going bullish again until, as I told you, price will reach the zone. Okay, when price reach the zone on the multi-day perspective, I will wait a clear setup, and I will trade only intraday. Okay, so let's move down Nasdaq, and basically, obviously, the analysis is the same. Okay, this is a nice, very huge risk reward trade that I try to that I opened last week, last month, and this probably it was my last trade that um, I wanted to leave here, but I hit my stop loss as one trade every two. Okay. So, by the way, if you check my trading journal that I always share on my YouTube channel, on my Discord channel, you're going to see all my back test, okay, all my trades. So in a total transparent way, you see all my trades. Okay, so let's move on the 50-minute time frame. What we are searching is liquidity level, okay, to go long. So what does it mean? Means that, sorry, it will be better to move on a futures, and because I'm already highlighted over here. Okay, so these are very good liquidity areas because we have a double top here, we have a double top here. So basically what we are looking for is a double top. Let me find an example for you. This is one of probably my best setup, or my best candlestick pattern that I wait every day. Okay, so here, for example, here we have a double bottom. Okay, sorry, let me this. So 1, 2, what does it mean? We have liquidity. So I just wait, liquidity grabbing, and it usually takes place during the session opening. So London and US opening, clear setup, clear candlestick pattern. Okay, huge wick, and so here we can easily going short, long. Okay, for a nice trade. Okay. So basically, this is what I'm looking for an intraday perspective. I will not going forward with Nasdaq because it's more or less the same thing of S&P. I'm moving on forex market, and what we are what I will do this for this week is short, go bearish on JPY, basically. because from technical point of view, this is what the graph suggests me. So CHFJPY, CADJPY, USDJPY, IUDJPY, I will only look for a bullish opportunity. I know that this sounds strange to you because we are on the highs, okay, for basically for both the market, okay, uh, but the sentiment is I mean, the opposite of this. So I just try uh, to to use the same logic of the big banks and the big boys over there. So I will I will only short GPY. Okay, what does it mean? That, well, let's take this CHFJPY for example. Obviously, I will not going long over here. Okay, I'm not crazy, but this liquidity level, this high, could be my target. Okay, and I just wait for for a retracement that had already began, and just wait for a liquidity level around here to go long. And this could be good because there is a wick here, liquidity grabbing here, supply demand zone here. Okay, so this could be good, and for the same reason this could be good as well. Okay, and for the same reason this could be good as well, because we have a liquidity grab here. We have a need tape pattern. If you don't know what I mean, just take a look to my YouTube videos. This is a very good setup, very good. And what does it mean? That here we have liquidity, and here we have the demand zone. So just wait for the price to grab the liquidity over here. Okay, the target will be the high. So here, last thing I want to show you guys is silver. Silver on a daily time frame, there is no doubt about it, I suppose, is bearish. Okay, so we are inside a very strong bearish trend. Okay, I will be bearish, I mean, on a long term perspective, obviously, until we see the price breaking this structure, for example. But until then, I will go. Bearish. Okay, so this is the first demand zone that already being taken, but it's not enough for me. I just want to see price retrace just a little bit, and as I told you, reaching my one potential liquidity level, like this one, like this one, like this one, or this as well, and going short. So for this week on silver, these are all very good potential trades to do. Okay, obviously, I like always say, I will not use a pending order here. Okay, just wait for the price to gradually reach this level, not like this, but like this, make a break of the structure, retest, or I can enter here, or better, I will wait for another liquidity grabbing. What does it mean? It means that here there is liquidity, so just like this. Okay, sorry for the drawings. I'm not Leonardo da Vinci, but anyway, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so if this is liquidity, I will wait for the price to grab the liquidity, re-enter the zone, retest, okay, and go short here, maybe waiting for the 75. So not 75 exactly 75, but I just want to see the price reaching the premium zone in case of if I want to go short premium zone. So here, so above the 61 more or less, okay, above the 70, not 61 because is a typical retail level. I just wait a 70 or 75 of the last range inside the 50-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. This is what I use for trigger, okay, uh, for the intraday trade. Okay, and this kind of logic, I will apply this kind of logic in all these liquidity levels over here. Okay, so guys, basically this could be my high potential setups for this week. As always, let me know what you think about use the comment section below. That's pretty much, and let's see in the next video. Thank you guys. See you. Have a good trading.